Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today what I'm going to be doing is I found a bunch of jeans that I wore in 9th grade, and here's a quick story. I used to be fat, and then I got skinny, and then I got fat again, and now I lost most of the weight to the point where my 9th grade jeans fit me. So let me just go ahead and show you real quick what they look like. But yeah, so they're just basic blue. I'm pretty sure I was the one who messed this up on accident. So I'm just gonna customize these to make them some like unreleased pairs or something like that. I don't know. I'm gonna just have fun with it. I have this whole thing of markers that I never used. I just bought it because I thought it was gonna look good on my desk, but I don't have a desk anymore. So let's just go ahead and get this done. Alright guys, so the first thing I decided to do was put unreleased on the thigh. I kind of miscalculated when I put it, and I really thought I was gonna mess it up and spell it wrong, but I didn't. So also, I know I'm not the best at drawing, so don't judge me. The next thing I did was, since my name is Lil Sneaky Blue Checkmark that's supposed to turn up one time, I decided to put the verified Instagram logo on the butt of the jeans. But you know, I got my laptop out because I didn't know what it looked like. So then, you know, I just started just tracing it, kind of just freehanding, seeing how I was gonna do it. I've never really done a verified mark before, so that's how I did it. Then it was off to pick up the next shade of blue. So after deciding a good shade of blue, I decided I was just going to color it in, freehand it a little bit some more. It didn't really come out the way I thought I was going to come out. And about halfway through there, you can see that I messed up and I put a blue mark, which I didn't even notice till much later, like right there. There was nothing I could do about it then though. And then there was this weird little stain that was on the jeans like right there, so I decided to just cover that up with a yellow marker. And then I remember seeing this guy I follow, his name is Alex Costa, and one of his denim jackets has this like yellow line, and I decided, hey, might as well do that, make it look like it's like tape or something, and put unreleased on it. And before you guys say anything, I know I probably should not have used Sharpies. For some reason I decided to use a Sharpie. I don't know, I was just bored that day. But I think in the future, if I do this again, I'm definitely going to use paint, because that way it's not going to wash off, because I know I'm probably going to get like 2 to 3 wears of these and I got to throw them away anyways. But it's all cool because I found these in my closet, and I think I remember buying them for like $5. And then all the drawings that you see here, they're just like things that are either in my life, or a lot of it was music inspired, where it was like just artists I listened to. So people like Travis Scott, Lucky Day, Ryan Trey, Bryson Tiller, Frank Ocean, Kevin Abstract, you know, some artists here and there. And I tried distressing it, and I ended up tearing a big hole in the jeans, which I tried to sew, and it didn't really work out. So they fit kind of larger now. And then the spider web was really from like Young Thug, but you could also do it for like Marvel and all that stuff. Then, you know, some quotes from my favorite songs. That's from Igor, that's from Lucky Day. And, you know, just adding some other stuff. You know, that cup with the world is supposed to represent Juice WRLD. And now that we're finished, let's just go ahead and do a mini lookbook and see what they look like. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. Go ahead and let me know if you guys want to see more content like this. And
Brian, Friday. Chick-fil-A on me, I swear.
alright, get out my car then.
Okay, bye.